Welcome everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the exciting process of buying shares in the stock market. Whether you're a first-time investor or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Before you jump in, it's essential to understand what you're getting into. Shares represent ownership in a company, and by buying them, you're essentially becoming a part owner. But remember, investing in shares comes with risks, so it's crucial to do your homework. Next, you'll need to choose a broker. A broker is like your gateway to the stock market. You can choose an online broker, which is fast and convenient, or go with a traditional broker if you prefer personalized advice. Once you've chosen your broker, it's time to open an account. This process is pretty straightforward. Now comes the fun part, picking the shares you want to buy. Start by researching companies that interest you. Once you've made your decision, it's time to place your order. You have a few options here. A market order buys the stock immediately at the current price. A limit order buys it only when it hits a specific price. After you've bought your shares, it's important to keep an eye on them. Check how they're performing regularly and make adjustments if needed. Remember, selling shares may have tax implications, so keep that in mind. Finally, staying informed is key. The market is always changing, so keep learning and stay updated with financial news. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to buy shares. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Thanks for joining us, and happy investing. Let's delve deeper into the types of shares you can buy. There are common shares, which give you voting rights and dividends, and preferred shares, which usually don't have voting rights but offer fixed dividends. Understanding the difference can help you make better investment decisions. It's also important to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread it across different sectors. This can help mitigate risks and improve your chances of returns. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Set clear financial goals and adjust your investments accordingly. Celebrate your milestones and keep learning to become a better investor. Attend seminars, read books, and stay updated with market trends. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. Networking with other investors can also provide valuable insights. Share your experiences and learn from others to enhance your investment journey. Remember, investing is a continuous learning process. Plan for the future and keep refining your strategies. With dedication and knowledge, you can achieve financial independence. Stay committed to your goals and enjoy the journey. Thanks for joining us, and happy investing. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and guides.